Hello students, today we will continue with part 2 of integers lesson. In the previous video we have learned how to draw a number line, how to denote integers on the number line, how to write opposite of an integer, how to add positive and negative integers on the number line. Let us now see how to compare integers. There are certain rules to compare integers. Every positive integer is greater than 0. Here goes the number line. Right side are all positive integers. Let us see some examples. 6 is greater than 0 and 1 is greater than 0. 10 is greater than 0 and 7 is greater than 0. All these numbers lie on the positive side of the number line and so they are greater than 0. Let us see the example 80 is greater than 0. As the limit of the number line that we have used here is from negative 10 to positive 10, positive 80 is not seen on the number line, but it can be plotted on the right side of the number line when we proceed to positive infinity. Thus, positive 80 is greater than 0. Similarly, positive 457 is also greater than 0. Let us see rule 2. 0 and every positive integer is greater than any negative integer. Here goes the number line. We know that left side are all negative integers. Let us see few examples. 0 is greater than negative 6. So every negative integer is less than 0 or 0 is greater than any negative integer. 8 is greater than negative 1. Here one number is positive and the other is negative. Thus positive number is greater than negative integer. Similarly, 10 is greater than negative 6 and 0 is greater than negative 9. Now let us see this example. 0 is greater than negative 78. Negative 78 is not seen on the number line, but it can be plotted when we go towards negative infinity on the left side of the number line. Thus, negative 78 is less than 0. 4 is greater than negative 40. Let us see the third rule, which we can call as a golden rule. Means even if you do not remember rule 1 and rule 2, you will be able to compare any two given integers using this golden rule. Let us see what the rule says. For any two numbers on the number line, the number to the right side is always greater than the one which is to the left side. Let us verify this rule using number line. Here is the number line. We know that right side are all positive integers, left side are all negative integers. Let us see the example. Here we have to compare negative 4 and negative 10. Let us find out the location of these two integers on the number line. Location of negative 4 is here and location of negative 10 is here. Thus, looking to the number line, negative 4 lies on the right side of negative 10. Therefore, negative 4 is greater than negative 10. Negative 1 and negative 7 we have to compare. Negative 1 lies on right side of negative 7 and thus negative 1 is greater than negative 7. Similarly, negative 21 is greater than negative 38. Negative 40 is greater than negative 52. For the bigger numbers, we have these two examples. Negative 321 is greater than negative 338. Negative 400 is greater than negative 520. Let us see the concept of absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is its distance from 0 on the number line. That means it is the numeric value without sign. Absolute value is numeric value without sign. If negative 4 is the integer, then absolute value of negative 4 is 4. The absolute value of positive 4 is 4. Let us see one more example. The absolute value of negative 12 is 12. Let us see integer sign rules. The slide shows the integer sign rules. If both the given integers are positive, it is like signs case. In this case, we add the absolute values of the integers and give the common sign of both integers to the answer. If one integer is positive and one integer is negative, it becomes unlike signs case. In this case, we find the difference between the absolute values of the integers and give sign of bigger number to the answer. Now the third case, if both the numbers are negative, then it becomes like signs case. In this case, we add the numbers and give the common sign of both integers to the answer. Unlike signs, we find difference between the numbers and give sign of bigger number to the answer. Like signs, we add the numbers and give the common sign of both numbers in that expression to the answer. I repeat, unlike signs, find difference, sign of bigger number to the answer. Like signs, add numbers, the common sign given in the expression to the answer. Children, you have to copy this table in your classwork notebook. Let us see one example of addition of integers. The example here is add 10 and negative 40. Writing mathematically, we get 10 plus minus 40. No two signs follow each other, and so minus 40 is included in the pair of brackets. This is case of unlike signs, as one number is positive, that is 10 is positive and 40 is negative. In this case, we find the difference between 10 and 40, and so the difference is 30, and sign of bigger number to the answer, so the answer is negative 30. Thus 10 plus minus 40 is equal to negative 30. Let us solve few more examples using sign rules. Here is the first example. Negative 4 plus negative 7. When I open the bracket, I get negative 4, negative 7, which is like signs case. So I add 4 and 7, which gives me 11, and the common sign to the answer, that is minus 11. Second example, negative 10 plus negative 5. When I open the bracket, I get negative 10, negative 5, and again like signs case, so answer is negative 15. Let us see third example. It is negative 65 plus 10, which gives me negative 65 plus 10 after opening the brackets, and then the answer is negative 55. It is same as the question solved in the previous slide. Observe the fourth example. Negative 10 plus 65 gives me positive 55 as the answer. Students, you have to solve the examples given in homework using sign rules. Here I conclude with this video. Thank you for listening.